Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be posting a video on Gute Abfertigung, which stands for good ride, good journey, goodbye, basically, in German. This train station wasn't actually released in America. I went on a trip to Germany and brought it back in my suitcase. Playmobil wasn't released in America till 1990. And this train station was released in 1980. So you can see it's missing some parts. It does have both figures though, and most of the packages that it would have come with. And I have the instruction manual and the box, which my other train items I don't. So here's the box. You can see it has pictures on the side of what you can do with the train station. Here it shows the set number and some of their contact information. There's some more pictures. And I'm going to be posting a video on this train station next. I'm not sure when I'll be uploading it though. So there's the box. On some Playmobil boxes it has the contents listed on the back. On this one though, since it's older, it doesn't actually. And then here's the instruction manual also. You can see it has a tear in it. But yeah, so that shows you the building steps. And then it also has some pictures here on the back. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on this train station, just let me know. I will be posting more videos on my Playmobil collection soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.